Okay, so here are the ingredients.
This is our big weekend where we will showcase a lot of our flowers from our farm for Mother's Day. So
there you go. Is that a troupial?
I think it's a troupial. Wonder if he's hurt.
Jungle boy in the city.
Here we go. Woo! Yeah! That feels good. It's nice and breezy.
Woo! This is our big weekend where we will showcase a lot of our flowers from our farm for Mother's Day. So we have a variety of orders and deliveries all throughout town. So once you harvest the flowers, then you have to clean out the inside parts because sometimes there's like little bugs or some of the inner flowers start to kind of get a little bit stinky because of all the water that sits in it. So we spray it with the hose. Lightly or a little harder if you need to get some stuff out. We try to keep it in the shade because if it stays in the sun, they can get a little bit too hot out here. Sometimes we'll even put a shade cloth or something over it. But this is kind of the first step before we put them together into a bouquet.
So for our orders, this one is a medium-sized order right here. It's beautiful.
We have a
Rosy Dawn, Caribea,
Restrada. We're not sure what this one is officially called, but
it's a heliconia.
Upright heliconia. Torch. And the greenery goes a long way. And we have a helper.
His name is Pumpkin.
Aiden, how many huevos are there?
There's a lot.
And what do you got here, Dada?
These are a couple flowers for Mother's Day.
Aiden, let me see your huevos.
Look. Come look in the window.
Whoa, ¿cuántos hay? Cuenta, cuenta.
1, 2, 6, 4, 5, 6.
6 huevos?
Sí.
Whoa, and some babies too.
Alright, we're here at in Mayaguez having some noodles and some sushi when it comes out. Buen provecho! with us, Aiden. What's happening?
We got
A lot of birds in the plaza, huh?
yeah.
We're in Mayaguez. We even got chickens out here.
Don't like it. That one has a funny neck.
Oh yeah, look at this funny neck.
He's kind of got a red neck.
Yeah, it's like a... Here, let me see a little bit of food.
That's a
What are you feeding the birds there, Eden?
cow.
What kind of cone? Ice cream cone?
Yeah.
What kind of ice cream do you eat? Oh, they're tickling my feet. Good
If
job.
I keep eating them, I know.
Come on, Aiden.
Tell. Tell.
Tell her to go.
I can't look that way.
Okay, you ready to jump?
I want to go at that wall.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be way too tall.
I'm gonna go.
Wow, look at the end.
Yes. This is super dangerous.
Jungle boy in the city. Finally, it's raining. Woo.
Todo quedó en el ayer, ya olvidé.
So, out planted in the yard, we found a pretty big grub. I'm not sure what that is, but it's got a good size to it. It's not small. Looks like it might have been in the tail end.
Ferocious tiger. Woods. Jungle cat. Pumpkin.
So walking across our bridge, it's been here about 8 years, and some of these planks start to crack and break. Gotta do a repair.
Got repaired. Lots of mangoes.
Hey everybody, today on this old finca, we're hanging up a good old-fashioned swing in this mango tree. Went to Chinatown the other day, store they have, and they had one of these swings for a pretty good price. Figured it'd be fun to hang it from the mango. Hey, it worked! It worked!
How does it feel when you're not that far?
Man, you go get 20 foot high off the ground and it reaches out. It's pretty scary for the first time.
Yep.
Woo! Yeah! That feels good. It's nice and breezy. It doesn't fall. Pumpkin. So here's the pumpkin. Hey, buddy. And here's the bird.
Let me see if I can get him out. See if I can rescue him. Where's he at? Oh. I see him. He's still alive.
Yeah. There you go. Is that a troupial?
I think it's a troupial. Wonder if he's hurt. Oh, he's got a... It's okay, I'm not here to hurt you.
It's like maybe it's a little one. Learning how to fly.
Oh, pretty.
You're just a baby.
We're gonna put Pumpkin in there just for a little bit. Whoops! He doesn't want to go in there. We don't want the Pumpkin to be catching this bird. Hey, Aiden, what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna let the bird go.
And why did we have it in the cage?
For me to see it.
Yeah, and to make sure it was okay, huh? It looks like it's doing okay. We fed it. Ready, Aiden? Dada's gonna lift it off, or do you want to?
I want it.
Okay.
Just lift it straight up. You can pick it up by the sides. Use two hands. There you go.
He knew how to fly.
He's on the ground again. So we'll have to see what he does.
Maybe he's not flying too good. Let's go check on him. See if he's still okay.
Yeah, he floated down.
He fluttered down, huh?
He's looking if there's any bananas. I saw him. He's in this part.
You better be careful so he doesn't get caught by the kitties, huh? We are now in mango season like crazy. We have probably 50 trees of these little mangoes. They just roll everywhere. So I'm gonna try to pick the good ones. A lot of times they start getting rotten, and you have to throw them like this one, and then they start fermenting all over the ground. So, but we have probably, gosh, on the farm that are huge. Oh, that's a big mango. That's a big mango, and they just roll. They're kind of like Easter eggs. You'll find them all over the farm. So I'm gonna pick up a few of them and see what we can do with them. Here's our new swing we hung up, which is underneath also a mango tree. And it looks like there's plenty of mangoes to pick up over here too. Looks pretty good. You'll see people all over Rincon stopping on the side of the road just to pick these up, because Rincon and Mayaguez are known for mangoes, and sometimes they fall so fast they'll hit windows and stuff, so you have to be really careful when driving around out here this season. Look at all those mangoes all over the ground there. Over here. So I'm just going to pick up the best ones, since these are just the little ones. It takes a lot of mangoes. So I'm going to gather some.
Mango trap.
Okay, so here are the ingredients, mostly the mangoes that I just picked from the ground. Also jalapeno, which I like it spicy. Some garlic, you can also use red onion. The juice of a lime. Cilantro. And then I'm going to mix it with black beans to give it a little bit more substance. But you could just make it as a mango salsa if you would prefer. And then I will eat it with some corn chips. So let's get to work. Okay, here's how I cut open a mango. In case you don't know, so you have your mango, you cut it down the sides. The firmer the better. And in the center, make a crisscross tic-tac-toe pattern. Look like that, and then just pop it out. And from there, it's really easy to get the flesh out. Just scrape it. Okay, so once you have all of the parts chopped up, then just add it to the bowl. Lots of mango, jalapeno and other peppers and garlic, cilantro, and then I'm gonna mix it with black beans to make it a little bit fuller of a salsa, bean salsa. Add some lime juice. One whole lime. And also some salt and pepper, which this one is pre-mixed. And mix it well, and then eat with chips. Buen provecho! Here's the final product. Looks delicious.